the guys. We're going for a fish day. It's Friday. It's fish day. Somebody's waiting for me.
14 and a half hours and I still gotta wait.
I know.
That's crazy, isn't it?
It's like crazy.
That's where Foxy gets it from.
What? Alright, the weather today is cloudy and gonna rain. It's just gonna rain tonight. So we're going now to we're gonna eat because it's Friday. We're gonna eat fish. Are you gonna eat fish? Or not?
Meatloaf.
Oh, you want the meat? Is there meatloaf there?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't think. I did not see it in the menu. Breakfast. Oh, guys, look at the weather. The sky is so cloudy. See, the sun is hiding. All right. Let's see on the highway. Us on the highway. As usual on the road now, going to West Liberty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to West Liberty. That's a restaurant. Is it the city? I
See a sign up here.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're going there right now, and because the fish restaurant that we were gonna eat is in West Liberty. We have to drive for how many?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, and then they're gonna close early, 7.
Yeah.
So they're gonna close at 7 o'clock. So we're here now in West Liberty. So we're getting closer. And then gutom na gutom kami. Kay I did not eat even breakfast, lunch. So this is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and same with him, right?
Yeah.
And same with him. Yes, that's our breakfast and dinner. So nagtipid. All right, we already here. So oh shoot. Almost dropped my phone. That's not good if you're gonna drop the phone. We're here on the road walking. Oh my god.
They don't have no regular gas.
Yep.
They only have diesel.
So walking right now, going to the restaurant. Alright, we already here in West Liberty. Liberty what? Restaurant, right?
Liberty
That
Gathering.
is really the name of the
Liberty Gathering.
Liberty Gathering. That's the name of the restaurant. And where? Oh, okay. Here. Hmm. Yes, we got already our order, we got already our drinks, so what we're gonna do now is just to wait our food. And I need to drink. She did not forget our drinks because we come in here. We did not come here last week, right?
Mm.
No. But every time we come in here, that lady, the waitress, she knows our drinks. So by the time she come to our table, she already bringing our drinks. But she missed the lemon because my sweet tea, I'm always have to have lemon in it. So alright. See you when the food is ready. Our order is ready. Look at that. Okay, babe. We only have appetizer. It's only 4 pieces. And it's so tiny. But anyway, they're mozzarella, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mozzarella stick. It's really good. Dip in this. What's this? Marinara. Oh my god. Look at our food. Our food is ready. Here's I order Hungry Farmers, right? Which is this omelette and that one and the bread. And he got his unlimited fish. Because it's Friday. Every Friday it's they have a what do you call that? Eat all you
All you
can.
can eat.
Yeah, eat all you can fish. So what fish they have? Ribbo.
Perch and Alaskan pollock.
The Alaskan pollock and perch. So, and I got because if I order the fish, I don't eat really much fish. I only eat only 1 or 2. That's enough for me. But then you can order more again. You want to taste, babe?
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll get it in a second.
Oops. I like it. Yeah. Omelette is good for the salsa. We have salsa here. It's good?
Yeah, very good with salsa.
Yeah. Tastes good with the salsa. The salsa is little bit spicy, which is really good. Alright. We're gonna finish our food first. Alright. We're done eating and now we're gonna stop on that ice cream parlor. We're there. Somebody's craving a
Oh, really?
Double chocolate. We're not gonna go. We're not.
Huh?
Are you still gonna get it? Are we still gonna get it?
What do you mean?
That one.
I don't understand you. What
This-
are we doing?
We don't.
Still won't get it?
Still gonna get it? Hello.
Can we get 2 chocolate shakes, please? No, thank you.
Look at this ice cream.
Yes, please. You can keep the change, thank you.
Look at that stuff. So look at that
What?
one.
Superman?
Is that Superman? Ah, yeah, Superman.
You like it? You ever had it?
No, I never had it, but it's very colorful. You don't want your sandwich? Those
No.
you use normally. You used to order.
I mean, I thought the wings sound good now.
Let's drink it.
Stuffed.
Eat it tomorrow for your lunch. What's this?
Put that in our dollar drawer at home. Yeah.
That's all he gave me. $1.
Oh, sorry. I need $1.
All right. After we eat, then we're coming here in ice cream parlor. It is what they have here is just all ice cream. So yeah, it is a homemade ice cream, right? Yeah, it is a homemade ice cream, and they're really good. Their ice cream and their smoothies are good. So every time we eat in that West Gathering restaurant, after that we're stopping here and get those chocolate milkshake. So we're done in there, and here it is, the chocolate milkshake. It is so good. Wait.
How am I setting the car, started up, and it's not beat yet? How's that happen?
I don't know. You look like. Ooh.
I feel like breaking the wall. I'm not gonna wear a seatbelt. Breaking the wall. Breaking the wall.
It's so good. What's the matter?
Why? Red line?
Oh my gosh. I'm so full. We're going back home now. Our tummy's happy already. It's already full. And the weather, it's not cloudy anymore. It's so nice now. 6 o'clock, 6:27 in the night time. Looks nice over there. Guys, nindot kay mga trees diri guys, oh. I heard her already. We are home. She's not here. There you get lights.
She was in the hallway.
You're in the hallway, Baba.
She was sleeping.
What did you do in the hallway? Look at
She's
that.
sleeping.
No, look at that. Oh. Somebody's crazy. Somebody's crazy. Right.
Outside?
I'm going. Are you gonna go outside? Are you happy Mommy and Daddy's home? Huh? Are you happy Mommy and Daddy's home? Don't worry. You look at that. She's really like, oh, that's what her reaction. Every time, oh, she's gonna do one lap. One round. You wanna do another round? You wanna do another round? Do another round? Huh? Do another round? Did you eat your food? Huh? How's your ears?
Come on me. Mess around.
She's really. Wait, he's gonna see it. Come here. Come here, Baba. Here. Here. No. Oh my. She is.
Come on me.
Look at me, guys. Ha? Tanawa ni guys.
Abrams and Stewart are the top two run producers in
Look
all
at-
of Major League Baseball. And you know what?
What's the matter?
In full swing. This is year 5 for C.J. Abrams, and he's had a massive year so far. 40 seasons.
She can't really wait. She can't really wait to get out. She's a crazy dog. Anyway, guys, look at the sky. The sky is blue and the clouds is white. Hey, Foxy. So, makapunga po ng sobrang nagkaon, no? Kining murang nadaghanan ra siguro akong nakaon. I need to walk. Para ma-hiyos-hiyos na makuha ng gikaon. Baba. Hey, come on, let's go the other. Come over here. Let's get the mail. Let's get the mail. Maybe we have 1 million. I wish I have 1 million. a million credit, a million utang. Oh my. Oh. Foxy. mo ang mailbox dire kuan. Hoy! Hoy! Oh my God. Puro junk. Uy, wrong house. Wrong apartment. Let's go here. This way. Run. Hey. Going crazy. Somebody going crazy. No. That's okay. You can go here. No. This way, Baba. Where are you going? We're gonna go back that way? Ooh. Oh, it's still. I thought it's already done. Well, she's really taking her time. Ah, there you go. Hello guys, happy blessed Saturday. So today there is an event there in the downtown, and I think it is a car show, and it's like, you know, there's like an old model like way before cars. So yeah, I'm waiting for somebody in here that is still getting ready. So anyhow, this is my outfit for today. Okay, it's just going out watching for the show, and I think there is a parade too. So I think the parade is around 4 o'clock. So time check is 3:33 in the afternoon here. So outside is so hot outside. So that's why I'm wearing this shorts. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on this car show event, and see you while driving on the road. Hello guys, while nga naghulat di ay ko sa isa na mahuman og kaligo, kay naabot ang package. So I got this Sungbun editor, kaya nahurot namang good, hurot na ang ako ang products na akong gigamit. This is only for my nighttime skincare routine. So mauni siya, ano, not that one, this one. This is the retinol mo diyang itsura. Unya, nahagbong na. Asara to. Unya. Kining koan pod. Sungbun editor silk peptide intensive ang pure. Tabox. So, while nagulat ko sa isa, nagkaon lang po mag unboxing ko. And then kining kojic acid na niacinamide brightening rice pill shots. So, guys, I'm trying to take my melasma off na mawala, kay ako'y melasma din ha. Di lang nakita kay nag-makeup man ko. And then, so, ang ikaupat ay kining kojic acid niya sa namay. Saan siya? Ampule. Unya, naapay isa nga wala na ko na kuan. Asarat ako ang gunting diri gamay. So, ano na to? Before ang oras o saan. Tadan! Gi-order na ko ni sa TikTok. Kining upat, gi-order na ko sa Amazon. Pero gi-order na ko sa TikTok. Enya. Doon ni siya. Parihan ni siya ani oh. Nahurot naman ko do, gamay na lang. So, nagpalit ko og bag o guys, kini na products nindot kain siya na products mo nang nagpalit na lang nagkaanjog ko order na food ko. So that's it guys, while nga nagulat ko sa isa, I think human na siya. Somebody want to get out. Look at that. Nagulat yun siya. Are you gonna go out or not? Are you gonna go out? Out now! Gusto din na siya sa kuan. Guys, init yun ang panahon karon. Aray ko. Oh. So, naay parade karong kuan. Mga alas 4. So, nindot kayo ang panahon. Ang panahon, oh. So, dili na dalon ang iro. Kay, pag dalon gud ng iro, init man gud. Isa pa, mulakaw na siya iyaha og asa siya maadto. Pataka na lang na siya og lakaw og asa. Tanawara. So, mo nang dili na dalon. Naglumpans man tao ko ganina. Ano ako maglumpans? Uy, kay medyo init. Gawas ang ko anaka ang sun. So see you guys in the road going to downtown. Kay dinhira man pod. Wala man nang lakaw ron. Wa man gyud ingon nga nangaon gyud sa gawas na kuan kay kuan tawag ani trabaho ang isa. Nagtrabaho siya. So, mo na nga wala mi kangyud og ngaon gyud sa restaurant na kuan. Sa kan lang siya, quick restaurant. Kan la like McDonald's, Arby's, minon ana, Culver's. So, mao na, and then we'll see later because I heard that there is a food truck, so maybe we're gonna like the food truck there. Maybe we're gonna eat something for dinner, for little snacks there in that event. So alright, see you on the road while driving going to the event. That car show event here. Alright, we are here walking. Look at this. I don't know. What kind of sports car is this?
Corvette.
A Corvette. Nice sports car. So we're walking right now going to that car show event. So they closed the downtown again?
Yes. 5 to 8.
5 day?
5 to 8.
5 to 8?
5 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Where's the music?
That was better. That was cool.
Yeah. Look at the face of that. She's. This is it? That's it?
No.
Huh?
Haven't started yet.
Are they started yet?
No.
This is old sports car. Right? What kind? That one. The red one.
That's an old Corvette. You have a
It's
new
an
one
old,
up there. That's
it's an
one.
old Corvette.
Right there. Look.
Yeah. It's an old Corvette. So, we are here sa downtown.
Over there, we're gonna sit there, but these probably people don't need us watch.
So, where's the parade? Is over here? Huh?
You wanna sit there or there?
Doesn't matter. That's
This one, yes.
hot.
That's why then it doesn't matter. I mean, it did matter. It did matter.
So, tanaw mo yung kaan.
That's perfect timing.
Oh!
Stand up out there.
Yeah. It's really perfect timing. Oh my god, it's hot. It's hot to my butt.
Get ready to start.
Yeah, parade is just, it's gonna be started soon, pretty soon. There you go.
Perfect timing.
It's perfect timing when we came in here. So it's
That's it. Let's go. You ready?
That's it.
That's
It's
small,
done. It's
small
over.
town, babe. What do you want?
A small city.
What do you want? Big gas like this thing's gonna take 6 hours.
That's it.
Hold on.
Let's go home now.
Small car.
There's here another one.
1963.
1963.
Mercury
Yeah.
Monterey.
Mercury Monterey.
Yeah.
Wow. So these people own it.
Looks like they're going to 600 downtown to eat. Well, you're gonna see some people park here.
Yeah. I thought it's really doing like a parade like lots of cars. So they're just like they're doing the park, looking for the park. They're really good at all cars, guys. Look at that. There's more over there. Guys, you can't hear it. Look at that yellow one, the small one.
an old Camaro right there.
There's lots. None. Huh.
Yeah.
Camaro. Alright. Guys, somebody brought my car in here. Who put my car here? Look at that. Alright. Humana ang parade. Look at that. And ang kuan ang kani ang food trucks pila lang kabuok. Pila lang kabuok ang food truck. So na funnel cake. May funnel cake din ha. So over there it's a funnel cake, and that's a theater. Over there that's a theater, and there's flappers, fins and fries. What's that, fish?
Yeah.
Because it says fins. So that fish. So that's a theater here. I never been there yet. In the theater here. I mean, I've been in the theater, but not this one. Never been in there. It's the end. There's another Corvette. Corvette, another Corvette, an old style Corvette. Look at this small one. This one. How cute it is. It's like how many? Alright. So that's what inside. It's only 2 people can fit there. Well, it's really small. Look at this truck. The giant tire. They did that in purpose. Right? They put that on purpose like that.
I like that.
So that's this one here is like 5 people can fit if they're small, right? 5 people can fit in there. Alright.
Let's walk back down, get you a dog to take home.
Yeah, we're gonna get the hot dog. The smash dog.
Smash dog.
The smash dog. Look at the sky. It's
Oh, the sun's gone away.
cloudy.
Thank God. That
That's
feels
like-
good.
Yeah. The sun goes down and the clouds is like,
Hiding it for a long time. Look at it.
huh?
The sun's hiding for a long time.
Yeah.
Behind the big cloud.
The sun is hiding behind the clouds. And look at that. I hope it's not gonna. It looks like cloudy. It's gonna rain.
I don't think so.
Hmm?
No.
So that's the city hall. We're going back to the. We're going back to walk, going to that hot dog, and we're just gonna take it home. We're not gonna eat it here because this hot dog to eat it is kind of messy. So I'm just gonna take it home we're gonna be. It's nice when the sun is down, right? Hills and the breeze. It's really good.
Yeah.
weather.
It's nice when the sun's not out no more.
Yeah. This lady. She knows that she's in the camera. She's smiling. She's like, oh, there's more over there that way, and hot dog is this way. Alright guys, mamalit na mi og hot dog. Ingon tong isa ka kuan, friend aning isa nga kuan daw. It's really good. It's a taste good. So we have to try it. Panagsara ng kuan. I've been doing I was watching this on that car show before. This is another one, and who wants those Asian food? It's over there. Kiyomi Sushi and Steakhouse. Alright, here it is.
Can we get that to go?
Yeah. You want them closed up?
Yes, please.
Do you want the onion on the chili dog too?
No, thank you.
No onion either?
No.
So no onion, no chives.
Yep.
Alrighty. Cash card.
Cash, please.
18, 720.
Guys, look at this. Somebody say hi to you. Hello. Oh, diba? So we're walking down now to what? Yeah. Oh my God. Kunampat yung anak. Alright guys, we're in the car right now and we're going home na kay init kaayo tapos mura og kaulanon. So we're on the road right now to go home. Huh?
I'm anxious for a hot dog. Yeah. Good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take picture of that when we get home.
It looks nice in the rain.
5:35. Yeah, it's kind of humid. I'm sweating.
Yeah.
It's humid. So it's cloudy. It's cloudy
Especially
right
when
now.
warm.
So before it's gonna start the rain, we decided just to go home. But still there, those car shows still there though. Alright, see you guys when we get home and see Foxy reaction when we get home. Same old, right?
Yeah, it's like we've been gone forever.
Yeah.